Hello everyone. In this lecture I am going to discuss about the binomial trees because this binomial tree will help us to understand the binomial heap. So how binomial tree will be formed or constructed. So we will try to learn what is binomial tree. So binomial tree is an order tree. So what is the meaning of order? The order will be given to us. On the basis of order we will decide the number of nodes and then we will form the binomial tree. So I am taking one simple example to understand what is the meaning of order. So a binomial tree of order 0 has one node. How we will compute? So there will be bk. Bk is a binomial tree of order k. Then it will have the 2 to power k number of nodes. So this will give you, for the example, 0 order p0 equal to 2 to power 0 equal to 1 node. So you can see there will be one node of order 0. Now if we talk about the binomial tree formation, so a binomial tree of order k can be constructed with the help of two binomial trees of order k minus 1, where one binomial tree of order k minus 1 will become as a leftmost child of the other. So we can see here bk will be constructed with the help of 2 bk minus 1. So we can see I have taken 1 bk minus 1 that has the root value 9. Second bk minus 1 binomial tree, that is 5. So how we will construct both? So there will be one property that we have to follow, that we have to use, that is the min heap property. So in min heap the minimum value will become as a root and maximum will become as a child. So here 5 is minimum for the second binomial tree of order k minus 1, that will become root, and the first binomial tree of order k minus 1 that is having 9 at the root, that will become the leftmost children of the second one. So here we will find the binomial tree of order k, which is being formed with the help of two binomial trees of order k minus 1. So now what are the basic properties that we have to follow at the time of construction of binomial trees? First, it has exactly 2 to the power k nodes. Second, it has depth as k. So we can see with the example, binomial tree bk of order k always have 2 to the power k number of nodes. So how can we compute? So they are k equal to 2, and with the help of k equal to 2 we have constructed b2, and b2 will give you 2 to the power 2 equal to 4 number of nodes. And what will be the height or what will be the depth? So depth will depend on number of k. So there will be depth equal to k and k equal to 2. So depth will be 2. Now third property is very important. With the help of property third, you can compute the exact number of nodes at any specified depth. So if depth is given 0, 1, 2, then you are able to compute the number of node at that depth. So I take the use of binomial coefficient formula that will help us to compute. So KCI will be used, and KCI can be expanded, that is the factorial k divided by factorial I into factorial k minus I. So it will give you the value. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now at the depth will be I equal to 0, I equal to 1, I equal to 2. So what the number of nodes will be at I equal to 0 depth, at I equal to 1 depth, and I equal to 2 depth. And total number of depth is given k, so order is k, so depth will be 2. So first you can utilize depth I equal to 0, k equal to 2 nodes, kci 2c0 you can put, and you can compute the formula that will give you 1 node. For the second I equal to 1, k equal to 2, so kci 2c1 you can compute with the help of 2c1. It will give you 2 number of nodes. So we are having the 2 number of nodes at the depth I equal to 1. Then third, we are having the depth I equal to 2. Then both are 2, 2c2, it will give you 1. So there will be 1 node. So you can find out at the 2 depth we are having the 1 node. Now for the fourth property, the root of bk has degree k and all other nodes in bk has degree smaller than the k. It means if we are not considering the root, then whatever the childrens are there, that will be have the order less than the k. We will see later. So if k is greater than equal to 1, if order is greater than equal to 1, then children of bk are bk minus 1, bk minus 2 up to b0 from left to right. So whatever the children of bk tree will be there, that will be follow the order of bk minus 1, bk minus 2 up to b0 from left to right. So we can see here, this is of tree, binomial tree of order 4. So it will give you 2 to power 4 means 16 nodes. You can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now this B4 will be constructed by B3 means K minus 1, B2 that is K minus 2, B1 that is K minus 3 and B0. So from left to right if we will move, this B4 will have the B3, B2, B1 and B0. That is the meaning. BK will have BK minus 1, BK minus 2, BK minus 3, B0 from left to right. So we can see here, this is B3, you can count 2 to power 3, 8 number of nodes are there, 4 plus 4, 8. Now next one BK minus 2, 4 minus 2, that will give you B2, so that is 2 to power 2, 4 number of nodes are there. Then 4 minus 3, 1, 2 to power 1, that will give you 2 nodes. And then 4 minus 4, 0, B0 will give you 1 number of. And also we can see the fourth property, if we are considering the root, the complete tree, it is of order B4. When we are not considering this root, the other childrens of B4 having the order 3, 2, 1, 0, which is lesser than the 4. Okay, so you can understand 4 and 5. Now I have taken two examples to construct the two binomial trees with the help of k minus 1 order. So if there is a k order 1, then there will be k minus 1 0. So 2 b0 will form a b1 order. b0 will consist of one node, another b0 will consist of one node. So if we will unite, as you know, the smallest value binomial tree will become as a root, and the next binomial tree of order k minus 1, which is having the higher value, will become as a leftmost child. So here we can form 5 will become root and 9 will become as a child. This is of b1. So now we are going to construct the b2, means 2 order binomial tree. So it will require the 1 order binomial tree. So there is a b1, then another b1, and now you have to decide which one will become as a leftmost child. So it is having root 2, it is having root 1, so this will become as a leftmost children of this tree. So you can unite and you can form the binomial tree. So this will be binomial tree of order 2. Now this is example that you can see, b0 will have one node, bk will be constructed with the help of 2 bk minus 1, b0 will have one node, b1 will be constructed with the help of 2 single nodes, that is b0, b0, b2 will be constructed with the help of 2 b1, 1 b1, 1 b1, then b3 will be constructed with the help of 2 b2, this is b2, this is b2, b4 will be constructed with the help of 2 b3, so b3 will have 2 to power 3 8 nodes, then 2 to power 3 8 nodes, 2 b3, and finally bk will have its children from bk minus 1 order to b0 from left to right. So this binomial tree will help us to understand the binomial heap in the next lecture. Thank you.